I bet you didn't know how AI can transform your daily life. Welcome to the future of AI. This isn't science fiction, but the dawn of a new age powered by GPT 4.0. This revolutionary technology promises to reshape our world from the mundane to the extraordinary, impacting everything from how we work to how we interact with the very fabric of knowledge itself. And today, we're diving into 26 amazing applications of GPT 4.0 that will blow your mind. The seamless multitasking assistant. In a world demanding our constant attention, imagine having an AI that streamlines your tasks with unparalleled efficiency. GPT 4.0 doesn't just follow commands, it anticipates your needs, seamlessly switching between drafting emails, scheduling appointments, and even answering your questions without missing a beat. It's like having a personal assistant that exists solely in the digital realm. Could artificial intelligence ever truly understand the complexities of human emotion? AI companionship with a human touch. GPT 4.0 takes a giant leap in that direction, offering digital companionship that goes beyond pre-programmed responses. Imagine engaging in deep conversations, sharing stories, and even exploring philosophical quandaries with an AI that feels remarkably close to a human companion. Simulated conversations. Imagine a world where artificial intelligence can engage in conversations so real, so nuanced, that they blur the line between human and machine. This isn't science fiction, but the incredible potential of GPT 4.0. By simulating multiple personas, GPT 4.0 could revolutionize the way we interact with technology and each other. Voice modulation. From the soothing tones of a late-night DJ to the authoritative voice of a seasoned narrator, GPT 4.0 has the power to transform the auditory landscape. Imagine a world where digital entertainment, from audiobooks to video games, is brought to life with unparalleled realism and emotional depth. Medical diagnostics. The human body is a complex and wondrous machine. But what if we could use the power of AI to unlock its secrets even further? GPT 4.0's ability to analyze vast data sets could revolutionize medical diagnostics, helping doctors identify diseases earlier and develop more effective treatments. In the vast ocean of data that surrounds us, GPT 4.0 emerges as a powerful new vessel for exploration. Imagine an intelligence capable of not only processing, but also visualizing complex datasets, revealing hidden patterns and correlations. This is the promise of GPT 4.0 to make sense of the seemingly chaotic sea of information and guide us towards new discoveries. Advanced data analysis. Throughout history, conflicts have arisen from misunderstandings, from the inability to see beyond our own perspectives. Conflict analysis. What if we could analyze the complexities of conflict with the objectivity of an advanced AI? GPT 4.0 offers the potential to dissect the intricate web of factors underlying disputes, providing insights that could lead to more peaceful resolutions. Imagine a world where every student has access to a personalized tutor, available 24/7. GPT 4.0 has the potential to revolutionize education, offering tailored instruction, answering questions, and adapting to individual learning styles. This could democratize learning, making quality education accessible to anyone with an internet connection. Educational tutor. Detecting sarcasm. For centuries, sarcasm has been a uniquely human form of communication, often lost in translation. But what if a machine could understand the subtle nuances of tone and context? GPT 4.0 promises to decode sarcasm, making our interactions with AI more intuitive and engaging. Imagine a world where technology not only understands our words but also the wit behind them. Accessibility for the visually impaired. Throughout history, we've strived to make the world more accessible for everyone. GPT 4.0 has the potential to be a game changer for the visually impaired. Imagine a world where AI acts as their eyes, reading text, describing images, and guiding them through their surroundings. This technology could empower individuals and foster a more inclusive society. Now this is where the conversation gets interesting. Child monitoring. Could GPT-4o be used to monitor children, ensuring their safety and well-being? While the ethical implications require careful consideration, the potential benefits, such as preventing accidents and responding to emergencies, cannot be ignored. Imagine a world where bedtime stories are no longer confined to the pages of books, but are spun from the very fabric of imagination itself. Customized lullabies. GPT-4o, with its capacity for language and music, could craft personalized lullabies, tailored to soothe a child's individual spirit, carrying them gently into the boundless realm of dreams. In the bustling marketplace of the digital age, customer service is often the make or break factor. But what if we could elevate this vital interaction with the power of AI? GPT-4o offers a future where customer queries are met with instant, personalized responses, ensuring a seamless and satisfying experience for every user. Customer support automation. The language of code is complex, full of intricate rules and endless possibilities. AI-powered development tools. GPT-4o has the potential to become a programmer's most valuable tool, assisting in writing, debugging, and even suggesting innovative solutions. This could usher in a new era of software development, one where human ingenuity is amplified by the tireless logic of AI. Imagine a world where writer's block is a distant memory. Consistent text generation. GPT-4o possesses an uncanny ability to generate consistent and creative text formats, from poems and code to scripts and musical pieces. This has the potential to revolutionize content creation, making it accessible to everyone. Character consistency in storytelling. As we delve deeper into the world of digital storytelling, character consistency becomes paramount. GPT-4o's ability to maintain a character's voice, personality, and backstory across a multitude of platforms ensures a seamless and believable narrative, blurring the lines between reality and artificial intelligence. Picture this. You upload a simple image, and GPT-4o transforms it into a personalized caricature. This whimsical application, powered by GPT-4o's understanding of facial features and artistic styles, opens up a universe of possibilities for personalized content creation and entertainment. Image to caricature conversion. 3D object synthesis. From the intricate double helix of DNA to the vast cosmic web of galaxies, our universe is built upon complex three-dimensional structures. Now imagine a world where artificial intelligence can not only perceive these structures but actually synthesize them. GPT-4o, with its advanced spatial reasoning capabilities, might one day enable us to sculpt objects in the digital realm with unprecedented ease, blurring the lines between imagination and reality. Enhanced gaming experiences. For decades, video games have transported us to fantastical worlds. But what if those worlds could respond to our every whim and desire? GPT-4o's ability to generate dynamic and contextually relevant narratives could usher in a new era of immersive gaming. Imagine embarking on quests crafted just for you, where every choice you make shapes the very fabric of your digital odyssey. The Tower of Babel may have crumbled, but could artificial intelligence help us bridge the divide between languages? Language learning. GPT-4o, with its mastery of nuance and idiom, holds the potential to personalize language learning like never before. Imagine a world where AI tutors tailor lessons to your individual strengths and weaknesses, making the journey to fluency an engaging and rewarding adventure. Songwriting and music composition. From the mathematical precision of Bach to the raw emotion of Jimi Hendrix, music has always been a uniquely human endeavor. Could an artificial intelligence like GPT-4o truly grasp the nuances of melody and rhythm to compose original music? Imagine a future where algorithms don't just generate catchy tunes, but tap into the very essence of human experience to create symphonies of the soul. Virtual home assistants. Our homes, once fortresses of analog simplicity, are rapidly transforming into interconnected ecosystems of data and automation. GPT-4o stands poised to become the maestro of this digital orchestra, anticipating our needs and orchestrating a symphony of convenience. Imagine a world where your home responds to your every whim, learning your preferences and seamlessly adapting to your daily rhythms. Social media content creation. In the vast digital expanse of social media where attention is the most valuable currency, GPT-4o emerges as a master communicator. Imagine algorithms crafting compelling narratives, generating eye-catching visuals, and tailoring messages to resonate with specific audiences. This brave new world of AI-driven content creation presents both exciting opportunities and profound ethical questions. From the cosmic perspective, even our legal systems are but fledgling attempts to organize the complexities of human interaction. Just imagine if we could employ the analytical power of GPT-4o to parse through legal precedents, contracts, and even predict potential legal outcomes. This technology could make justice more accessible and efficient for all. Legal and contract analysis. Mental health support. The human mind, a universe unto itself, is often filled with wonders and tribulations. While not a replacement for trained professionals, GPT-4o could offer a first line of support, listening and responding with empathy and understanding. Imagine a future where mental health resources are readily available to all, powered by advanced AI. History, as we know, is not a straight line. It's a tapestry of choices, chance encounters, and near misses. Imagine using GPT-4o to explore those what-ifs. Welcome to Chapter 27, Exploring Historical Scenarios. What if the Library of Alexandria had never burned? What if, instead of sailing west, Columbus had fallen off the edge of the earth, as many believed at the time? The possibilities, much like the universe itself, are vast and ready for exploration. Introducing the impact on healthcare and education. From revolutionizing healthcare and education to composing symphonies, let's explore creative fields. And rewriting history, hypothetically of course, now, the potential to reshape our world. GPT-4o has the potential to reshape our world in ways we're only beginning to imagine. Looking ahead, the future, once a distant point on the horizon, is now very much within reach, encouraging exploration. So, I encourage you to dive in, experiment, and see where GPT-4o takes you. The future is now.